Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are excited to review the iRobot Roomba 694 robot vacuum, the perfect solution for keeping your floors clean and tidy without lifting a finger. With Wi-Fi connectivity and personalized cleaning recommendations, the Roomba 694 is designed to make your life easier. It works with Alexa, making it a breeze to control with just the sound of your voice. Whether you have pets, carpets, or hard floors, this robot vacuum is up for the job. Featuring a sleek and premium design, the Roomba 694 will complement your home decor while effortlessly cleaning your floors. Its auto-adjust cleaning head ensures effective cleaning on any surface, adapting its height to clean carpets and hard floors with ease. The robot's adaptive navigation, powered by a full suite of advanced sensors, allows it to maneuver under and around furniture, along edges, and even avoid dangerous drops thanks to Cliff Detect technology. With a system of smart sensors, the Roomba 694 can adjust to your unique home and deliver a daily clean, ensuring that your floors stay clean every day. One of the best features of the Roomba 694 is its ability to automatically recharge. With up to 90 minutes of runtime, the robot vacuum will dock and recharge itself, ensuring that it's always ready to keep your floors clean. So why wait? Say goodbye to daily dirt, dust, and debris, and let the iRobot Roomba 694 handle the cleaning for you. Check out the link in the description and get your Roomba 694 today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tips on smart home products. Thank you for watching.